food in that and then you scrub it all over your hair. Then you take some of this and wipe it all over your hair. And then when you wait for a little minute, you have to rinse it out, do some more. I get my hair off with curly kids! I love curly kids because it makes my hair soft and pretty. Hola mi gente, yo soy Lexi Lux. Nos vino a comprar curly kids haircut. Adiós. Curly kids makes my hair so bouncy. Bye! Kisses for superheroes!
Yeah, those curly kids work so well with your black girl magic hair.
I think so too.
Yeah, you ready?
Hey guys, guess what I use in my hair? Curly kids.
Well, my mom and I have been hearing about this Curly Kids stuff. So my bestie Mariah got me the Curly Kids custard. And it works like a charm. My curls are looking like ding. When they were looking like Thanks, Curly Kids, and buy your Curly Kids products today.